In this specific video, I'm going to show you how to install plugins. Now, in order to do this, you will need the WordPress plugin, and I'm also going to show you two different ways to install it. You can install it automatically through the dashboard, or you can install it manually through FTP software such as FileZilla. So that's it. Let's get started. Before we talk about how to install plugins, whether automatically or manually, first things first, I want to go to the plugins section. And if you go under install plugins, you'll be able to see your existing plugins that have been installed. You can simply activate them, you can edit them, or delete them. To add a new plugin, all you have to do is simply click on add new. And at this point, you'll be able to search WordPress's plugin directory, meaning WordPress has a directory filled with a lot of free plugins, as you can see here. So you can find plugins that relate to these specific popular tags, or you can simply do a search for a plugin that you might be looking for. So you can see the feature ones, the popular ones, and favorites. Let's say, for example, that we want to install bbPress. To do that, all we need to do is click on Install Now, click OK, click Activate Plugin, and that's it. Now, when it comes to trying to install a plugin that you have, let's say, for example, downloaded from a website. If you have the zip file in hand and you want to know how to install it automatically, it's really simple to do. All you need to do is go to plugins, go to add new. At this point, click on upload plugin, and you'll need to locate your zip file and click on choose file. Find the file, click on open, click on install now, click activate plugin. And there we go. So that's how to install plugins automatically. Now I want to show you how to install plugins via FTP. So let's say, for example, for whatever reason that you want to install the plugin manually. If you don't, you can just stop this video right now. If you want to learn that, simply go to your FTP program. And what you'll want to do is log into your website via FTP. And in this case, we're using a program called FileZilla, which is free. And what you want to do to install a plugin is simply go to the WP-content folder. Next, you'll look for the folder called plugins, and you'll be able to see all of your plugins here. And next, you want to go to your computer and find the plugin zip file. You want to unzip that file and you want to find the folder. So in this case, I have a plugin called Shortcodes UI. And if I click on the folder, I'm going to be able to see the plugin files here. So you want this folder. You want to simply drag and drop it into the WP-content/plugins folder. We're going to drag and drop it here. We're going to upload the files. And then next, what we need to do is simply go back to this plugin installed plugins page. So we click on here, and you're going to notice the Shortcodes UI. And by default, it's going to be deactivated. So all we need to do is simply click on activate, and we're good to go in terms of using that particular plugin. And that's how to install plugins automatically through the dashboard and as well through the FTP program. So you can pick and choose which route you would like to go.